Hi, today we're going to take a tour of Stonehart. Come on in. This is our retail space, and this is where our professionals pick up their favorite lash, brow, skincare, and waxing products. Our members of the professional public can come and pick up some skincare here as well. We have a little break area here, and we also have our amazing lash products on the wall. If we come through here, you're going to see another lecture and theory area, and this is where we learn. Follow me in this way, and you will see our instructor office where you can come and meet with instructors in a cozy, inviting environment. This is our break room, and this is where you can come and take a break, spend the day reading your notes, getting to know classmates, and just taking a deep breath before you go into your clinical practical area. Now follow me this way. We have a kitchenette for our students with a fridge and microwave and a coffee Keurig maker if you need to refuel for the day. We have our restrooms over here on the right. And if you follow me, you'll find one of our favorite rooms in the whole space. And this is where the magic happens. This is our clinical area. And this is where you will learn hands-on experience, and you'll apply all the knowledge that you learned in lecture and theory and apply it to real-world live models so that you'll feel confident and comfortable with your aesthetics knowledge. We have another classroom space right over here. So if you need to take a breather, review notes, you can come right in here. This is also one of our classrooms we use for our advanced courses too. So this is where our supplies are housed, as well as some of our equipment and the sinks, so that everything is tidy and neat and can have a really good clinical experience. All right, we hope to see you at Stonehart soon. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.